Now let us start with your initial questions. Also, I'll touch up with your bit of complex numbers they might ask. First, the first question given is log of 8 to the base 3 divided by log of 16 to the base 9 into log of 10 to the base 4 equal to 3 log 2 to the base 10. We have to prove that LHS equal to RHS. I'll send the sheet in the group. Don't worry. Okay. How will you approach it first? Don't scratch more. Just we need to start with the LHS part. Log of 8 can be written as 2 power 3 divided by to the base of 3. 16 can be written as what? Log of 2 to the power of 4 to the base 3 square, and into log of it can be written as what? 2 into 5, log of 2 into 5 all to the power of 2 square, right? So this is what it can be written. So from now, can you simplify it more? See, this can be simplified as 3 log of 2 base 3 divided by 4 by 2 log of 2 base 3 into log of 2 square. It can be written as 1 by 2 log 10 can be written as log 2 into 5 to the base 2, right? So this log 2 base 3, this log 2 base 3 gets cancelled. So this becomes 2 times. This becomes 3 upon 2 into this 2 goes up. This becomes log of 2 to the base 2 plus log of 5 to the base 2. This 2 gets cancelled. Log of 2 base 2. Yeah, this important rule I did not explain. So anything like this, log of a to the base a is going to be equal to 1. Or example, log of 2 to the base 2 is going to be equal to 1. That is nothing but 2 power 1 equal to 2 in that way. So log of 10 base 10 is going to be equal to 1. So whatever to its same base is going to be equal to 1. So this value is going to be equal to 1, and this is going to be equal to log 5 base 2. Log 5 base 2, right? Yes. So it is going to be 3 divided by 1 plus log 5 by 2. Or okay, let me not simplify it. They're not asking me to simplify it, so they want it in terms of log 10 only. No, okay, let me keep it as it is. So it will become like 1 upon 2 into log of 10 base 2. Okay, log of 10 base 2. Now this becomes 3 divided by 2 into 2 divided by log 10 base 2. Or this can be written as this cancels, and this log, if it goes up, it becomes 3 into log 2 base 10. This becomes the LHS equal to RHS. Fine. In this way you can do it. So this kind of problem will come for 2 marks when you want to write a descriptive type. It won't be an objective question. It will be for 2 marks where you need to prove that LHS equal to RHS. You need to do like at least for 2 steps in order to get some marks. Okay. Clear? Or any doubts? You're just like using the rules and just making it up. Any doubts in the first one online? Then start with the second one. The second one, I'll go back to that. I'll write down the second one question and then I'll go back to log base 2, log base 2, log base 2 to the power of 6. Log base 2, log base 2, log base 2, 16 is equal to what? Yes. How will you solve it? Solution. You know the rules. Just you need to apply the rules. How can you rewrite 16 as? Yes. So it can be written as log base 2, log base 2, log base 2, and 2 to the power of 4. Now, can this 4 be taken out? Log base 2, log base 2, 4, log base 2, 2. What is log 2? Log 2 base 2? 1. So this becomes log of 2, 4 into 1. Okay, into 1. So this can be written as other. Again, how can be 4 written as? 2 square. So this becomes log of 2, 2 square. This 2 comes out. So it becomes log of 2 base 2 into 1. This is nothing but 1 into 1. Answer is 1. Okay, simple answer. See, here I am writing all the steps. In case if it is an objective type question, don't write steps and all. Immediately you should be able to solve it. If it is a 2 mark question, then you sit and explain all this. MCA people, you have 1 mark as well as 2 marks. So remember that. Clear? Okay, then take up this question. Third one. Log base 2, log base 3, log base 3, 27 to the power of 3 is equal to what? Solve it. Answer 27, how it can be written in terms of 3? 3 cube. So 3 cube in to the power of 3 becomes exponents and surds. First here, 27 is nothing but 3 to the power of 3. All to the power of 3 becomes 3 power what? 9. So this is nothing but multiplication, no? So 3 into 3 becomes 9. So this becomes 9 comes out. 9 comes out, then becomes for 3 square. Then 2 comes out, then becomes 1. So answer please. Answer is 1 again for this. You got 1 or got something else? Only got the log of 2, log of 3. This becomes 3 power power 9. So this becomes 9 log of 9 log of 3 base 3. So this 3 base 3 is nothing but 1. 3 base 3 is nothing but 1. So I can remove it. Next it becomes this 9 becomes 3 square. So it becomes log of 2 log of 3 base 3. Now 3 base 3 is again 1. So this also eliminates. Again log 2 base 2 becomes 1. The entire answer is 1. That's all. Simple. Okay. The question looks complicated, but it is very easy to solve. Just you need to apply the rules, whatever is given. Those 5-6 rules, if you remember, everything is done. Nothing to be learned in logs. You can blindly go and write an exam. Okay. Clear? Online people? Okay. The next one. If 2 log x is equal to 4 log 3, then x is equal to what? 2 log x is equal to 4 log 3, then x is equal to what? How will you solve it? 2 log x equal to 4 log 3. 2 log x is equal to 4 log 3. Find x. Answer. Online people answer.
9.
9. Okay, let me check. So this gets cancelled out. 2 times log x equal to log of 3 square. 3 square is 9. X is equal to 9. So done. One step. Don't do a lot of things here. Only single step. Answer. One more question. They won't ask very complicated things. It will be very straightforward. Find concept clear. Basics. Only stick on with the basics. The value of log of 0.0001 to the base 0.1 to the base 0.1 is what? First of all, what is 0.1 into 0.1? Yes. What is 0.1 into 0.1? Yes, Tarush. Whenever it is put 2 decimal points, that's all. It will be 0.01. That's all. 0.01. But here you need 0.001. So what you should do? Multiply it by 4 times. 4 times. Then you end up with 0.0001. Okay. So it becomes 0.1 to the power of 4. All to the base of 0.1 log. So now you can take the 4 out. It becomes 4 log of 0.1 to the base of 0.1. It is nothing but 0.1 to the base of 0.1 is what is 0.1 to the base of 0.1? Log of 0.1 to the base of 1. A to the base A. So the answer is 4. So answer is clear. I am expecting the next answer to be told by you people. Log 1 divided by 81 to the base 9. And also give a try for the next one. 7th one also. Give a try for 6th and 7th. Yes, answer. 6th one.
-2.
2. Okay, let us see.
-2.
-2. Okay, let's see. Wait. Log of 1 divided by 81 to the base 9, right? To the base 9. So this can be written as log of 1 divided by 9 square to the base 9, or this can be written as log of 9 to the power of -2 to the base 9. Can be -2. Answer is -2. All got -2. You got 2. -2. Answer is -2. Okay, next one. 7th one. The simplified value of 2 log 5 to the base 10 plus log 8 to the base 10 minus 1 by 2 log 4. Now observe the first two part. These two are to the base 10. If no base is mentioned, it means it is to the base 10 only again. It is to the base 10 only. Okay. Solve it. Let me know. Apply the rules. 2 log of 5 base 10 plus log of 8 base 10 minus half log of 4. It can be written as log 5 square to the base 10 plus log of 8 to the base 10 minus log of 4 to the power of half, right? Now simplify it. And the first step for you. You can either do this way. Log of 25 plus log of 8 minus log of 2. This can be written as either you can do this divided by this first or this into this first. 25 into 8 is 200. Log of 25 into 8 minus log of 2. Or this can be written as log of 200 divided by 2 or log of 100. 100 is nothing but how can be 100 written as 10 square? This is to the base 10. This can be written as 2 log of 10 base 10, or this answer is nothing but I shouldn't be solving this. Further simplification only. All are simplifications. No complications. All understood. Very basic problems. Only these kind of problems you'll get in your exam. If you are thorough with these kind of problems, more than sufficient. I'm also having certain exam questions, whatever came up, you are able to solve it, please. Okay. A equal to B square equal to C cube equal to D power 4. Then the value of log ABCD to the base A is what? They are given A equal to B square equal to C cube equal to D4. They're asking you to find the value of log of ABCD to the base A. Now what is your first step? What's your first step? Yes, online. What's your first step that you want to do? You are having a base A, right? So convert the entire term in terms of base A or to the power of A. So log B, how can you write in terms of A? C, how can you write in terms of A? D, how can you write in terms of A? So now B square equal to A or b is equal to a power half, right? The same way, c cube equal to a or c is equal to a power 1 by 3. d power 4 equal to a or d is equal to a power what? 1 by 4. Now everything is converted in terms of a. Now you do it. Now if you are having multiple powers to the same base, what happens? The powers gets added using your exponents, radicals, thirds, whatever. Yes, answer quick. I made everything ready for you people. You just need to substitute and will answer. Two more questions. One, not one.
25 by 12.
Sorry?
25
Yes.
by 12.
20?
5 by 12, sir.
25 by 12. Okay, let me check. I'm not sure. So it becomes log of a base a to the power of 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4, right? Okay, what's the LCM for this? 12. A to the power of 12 divided by 12 plus is going to be 6 plus 4 plus 3. It's going to be 18, 22, 25 by. So this 25 by 12 goes out. Log a to the base a. This becomes answer is 25 by. Fine. Easy one. No complication. Straightforward. If you are comfortable with all the rules, then everything is easy. Okay, do the next one. This is also easy one. Log x square plus x to the base a plus log minus log x plus 1 to the base 5 equal to 2. Find x. How will you do it? Very easy one. Quick. Only 10 seconds for this problem. I'm not giving more and more. Very easy one. If it is minus, what happens in log? Divide. Are they having the same base? Yes. Numerator and denominator. Check out what is happening. Yes. Can be written as log of x square plus x divided by x plus 1 all to the base 5. So x square plus 1, x can be taken out. X plus 1 divided by x plus 1. X plus 1 gets cancelled. So it becomes log of x base 5 equal to 2 or 5 square equal to x. X is equal to 25. That's all. Only 10 seconds I'll give you for this problem, not 4 I said. So it means no one is practicing simplification. Very good. Exam date is given as next month and no one is practicing anything. And guys, all go to your TAN CET MCA. Okay. One is TAN CET MCA and MHCET MCA. Okay. Every day there is quiz for 20 marks. Okay. Solve 5 quizzes today. MCA students, everyone send me your email IDs also or all to my personal number. Just send it to me and practice. Take up 5 quizzes today from TAN CET MCA or MHCET MCA. You can find it over there. Okay. Next. Is this clear? 9th one. Any doubts in 9th one for anyone? Any doubts? Okay. For all to 10th one. 10th. Log 0.1 to the base x equal to minus 1 by 3. Then x is what? What is x? Answer for 10th one. How will you do it? You can solve it in multiple ways, whichever is easy. The easiest one would be x to the power of minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0.1, right? Or it can be written as 1 divided by x to the power of 3 equal to 0.1 can be written as what? How can you write 0.1?
1 by 10.
1 by 10. Okay. So x cube equal to 10. X cube equal to 10. So x is equal to cube root of 10. That's what is the thing. Let me give you something else. So if I'm giving 1 by 9, wait, I will change this question. 0.1111. Okay. This is 0.1111. This is going to be written as 1 by 9. It's nothing but 1 by 9 also cannot be cube, right? 1 by 9 also cannot be cube. So it has to be 1 by 27. Else I'll give 1 by 27 itself. Okay. So x cube equal to 27 or x is equal to 3. If they're giving the question as 10, it is nothing but cube root of 10. If it is given something else, it is x is equal to 5. Okay.